Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're tired of messing around with that cord on your vacuum or tired of it getting stuck or snagged, then you're going to love this cordless vacuum from Gtech. It's so easy to use and so powerful. One of my favorite things is just how lightweight this vacuum is. I can take this upstairs, downstairs with a breeze. No more unplugging or getting that cord snagged. Another great thing about this vacuum is its slender and sleek design. We absolutely love how easy it is to get underneath our couch, our hutches, our beds. With our previous vacuums, they're so bulky that a lot of times it wouldn't get all the way under the sofa. So we were so excited to see that it was able to maneuver so easily under all of our furniture. The runtime on this cordless vacuum is amazing. I have found that with other cordless vacuums, it doesn't hold a charge very well. This one, we were able to charge and I was easily able to vacuum my entire home and still have battery life left. Another favorite thing of ours is that, of course, there's no bags. We're able to easily empty the bin out and it does hold quite a bit. And if you live in a house with people or pets that tend to shed a lot, this vacuum was absolutely amazing when it came to hair. So if you're looking for a vacuum to get the job done, this vacuum has an awesome run battery. It has excellent power and strong suction and can collect a lot of debris before needing to empty the bin. We would highly recommend this cordless vacuum from Gtech. And that's our point of view.